Across 3 major wars and multiple generations of conflict, North American Aviation built bombers and attack aircraft that shaped modern air warfare. From piston-engine workhorses of World War II to supersonic Cold War giants, these aircraft delivered precision, power, and strategic reach. This is the bomber legacy that defined an era. XB-21 Dragon. The XB-21 Dragon was an experimental medium bomber developed in the late 1930s. While it never entered mass production, it introduced improved defensive gun arrangements and structural innovations. Its design lessons helped refine later bomber concepts and demonstrated North American Aviation's early ambition in long-range strike aircraft. NA-40. The NA-40 was a critical prototype that tested the effectiveness of twin-engine medium bombers. Though it failed to meet initial requirements, the aircraft provided invaluable data. Its layout, performance insights, and mission flexibility directly influenced the development of a bomber that would soon become legendary. B-25 Mitchell. The B-25 Mitchell became one of the most versatile bombers of World War II. Known globally for the Doolittle raid, it served in Europe, the Pacific, and North Africa. Capable of bombing, strafing, and ground attack, the B-25 proved adaptable, durable, and highly effective in combat. A-27. The A-27 was a specialized ground attack aircraft derived from a trainer design. Originally intended for export, geopolitical changes led to its service with U.S. forces. Though limited in numbers, it highlighted North American Aviation's ability to quickly adapt existing platforms for combat roles. XB-28 Dragon. Designed for high-altitude bombing missions, the XB-28 Dragon featured a pressurized cabin, allowing crews to operate comfortably at extreme altitudes. Only 2 prototypes were constructed, but the aircraft represented a major technological leap and influenced future bomber designs focused on altitude and endurance. A-36 Apache. The A-36 Apache was a dive bomber version of the P-51 Mustang, modified specifically for ground attack. Equipped with dive brakes, it delivered accurate strikes against enemy positions. The Apache played a vital role in the North African campaign, proving precision air support could be decisive. B-45 Tornado. The B-45 Tornado became the first jet-powered bomber to enter operational service with the U.S. Air Force. This aircraft marked a revolutionary shift from piston engines to jet propulsion, redefining bomber speed and performance while laying the groundwork for future jet-based strategic bombing platforms. A.J. Savage. The A.J. Savage was the U.S. Navy's first carrier-based bomber capable of delivering nuclear weapons. Its unusual design combined 2 piston engines with a jet engine for extra thrust. This hybrid approach allowed heavy payloads while maintaining carrier compatibility during the early Cold War. XA-2J Super Savage. The XA-2J Super Savage was an experimental attempt to improve the A.J. Savage by replacing piston engines with turboprops. Designed to carry heavier payloads over longer distances, it showed promise. However, rapid advancements in pure jet aircraft ultimately ended the program before production. A-5 Vigilante. The A-5 Vigilante was a sleek, supersonic bomber designed for carrier operations. Its advanced aerodynamics and speed made it one of the most impressive naval aircraft of its time. Later, it transitioned into a reconnaissance role, excelling at high-speed intelligence-gathering missions. XB-70 Valkyrie. The XB-70 Valkyrie was an ambitious Cold War bomber designed to cruise at Mach 3 and extreme altitudes. Powered by 6 engines, it pushed aerospace engineering to its limits. Only 2 were built, and today, one remains as a symbol of technological ambition. B-1 Lancer. The B-1 Lancer represents the evolution of North American's bomber philosophy into the modern era. Featuring variable sweep wings, it balances high-speed performance with low-altitude penetration. Still in service today, the B-1 remains a key element of long-range global strike capability.